Hi everyone, I'm here with your 421 lesson. How can I enlarge a shape? Enlarging two-dimensional shapes. How do painters design murals so large that you can only see them from a distance? In most cases, designs for large projects like murals are first created as small pieces of art. Then they are enlarged, made bigger to fit the space to be painted. In this lesson, you will work with your class to enlarge a design that could turn into a mural. 444, Mystery Mascot. Jeremy and Julia are part of the Spirit Club at CPM Middle School. They have permission to paint a mural of their school mascot on the wall of the gym. To make it look right, they have decided to cut up a small picture of the mascot. They will then enlarge each of the pieces and put together to form a larger model of the mural, but they need your help. Your task: get a piece of the original picture of the mascot in an enlargement grid from your teacher. Draw your section of the mural so that it fills the large grid, yet still looks the same as the part of the original picture on your piece. Work with your team members to ensure that everyone's drawings are as accurate as possible, including a little arrow in the corner. When all the parts of the enlargements are completed, work with your class to put them together to make a paper model of the mural mascot. What is the mascot of the CPM Middle School? So on your resource page, you are going to have a bigger version of a square that looks like this, and it's going to be blank. This is the piece that you are responsible for enlarging. So you might have to pause your video, try to zoom in, and I will try to zoom in as well so you can kind of see here. This is the piece that you are enlarging on your mural page. So go ahead and pause the video and enlarge now. Arrow goes in the top right-hand corner. It is up here. So go ahead and do that now. When you're done with your mural page, since you're at home, you're not able to put it with the class, but moving on to 445. Oops, just a second. Okay, perfect. Your teacher will assign your team part of the mascot to measure, such as a foot or an eye. When you have been assigned your part to measure, follow the steps below. Measure your assigned part on the original mascot, the small picture, in centimeters, and then on the corresponding identical part of the enlarged mascot. Work with your class to ensure data and complete a table like the one at right. Okay, so A and B are going to be done for you. So now, if you are at home and you are waiting, you have to wait until this table is created by your classmate. So I will be posting this. Then it'll be your responsibility to answer C and D at home. With your team, examine the data collected by your class. Look for a way to describe the relationship between the parts of the original mascot picture and the enlarged model of the mascot. Be prepared to share your ideas with the class. D, is there any part of the enlarged picture that seems to be the wrong size? How could you check? So you are responsible for answering C and D. Once you have the table, please use the table that is posted to help you. That is it for today. If you have any questions, please make sure you email me to ask.